welcome to my channel Creative Nation 10. Today I am going to make a frog. So let's start the video. So now for making a frog we need to have a square sheet of paper. So first step is we are going to fold it in half. After folding it in half, we have to again fold it in half to make 4 squares to make 1 square. After this we got a center line and we got 2 squares on it. Now we have to fold it to this edge to the middle edge. After folding it, we will get this line. So we will follow the same step on this side. After this you have to turn the paper, and after that you have to again fold it like this. After folding like this, when you open, you will see that you have 4 parts on each square. So now you have to turn it upside down and move this edge to the middle edge. And we will turn the paper and we have to move this edge to the middle edge. That's it. Now we will again turn the paper and now we will put our finger to the middle point. So we will get like this. So first this part is going to come in here like this. This part is going to come like here. Here is a pocket. So this part also we will come here. And this we have to push down to get a triangle like this. Same on the other side. We are gonna do it both sides like this and then like this. So we are having a base shape of a frog. So it should be like this. So now after this, first step is to do it like this. We have to fold this edge to this edge to here. We have to do this step to here. We have to turn it, and this side we have to do same. This should go here. And this will go up here. So fold it like this. And after this we have to take this edge here like this. This edge we will also do it like this. After this you should get it like this. This I have folded it like this. Then I have like this. I have folded this edge to this edge. We will do same on the other side. We will take this edge and see here, and this edge, and we will do it here. This edge we will do it here. After this step, our frog is almost ready. We have to turn it over so you will get some simple jumping, but this is not jumping nicely, so we will do some upgrades to it. After this you have to fold it, do an imaginary line, draw an imaginary line from here to here. This side we have like this, one side we have like this, one side like this. So this side is like this. And now we are going to fold it from an imaginary line to between. So friends, this we have done like this. So this also same way we are going to do. After this, this shape we have folded on the bottom is a triangle. We have to fold this triangle, from which fold we can fold and fold it like this. After this, you will recognize we have two pockets here. One is here and one is here. So what we have to do is this corner we have to stuck it in this one. So just we have to do like this, and this also I am putting it in this one. And this one here. So see friends, our frog is almost ready. We have folded it in middle, so it's like this. So now you gotta turn it over, and this side, not the one which has a diamond shape, the flat shape side, from the middle we have to fold it ahead. See, this we have got like this. This shape we have to fold it like this. After we fold it like this, we have to turn it over, and this corner we have to do it on this corner. So I will fold it and show you. So see friends, I have done it. This was like this, and you have to fold it like this. So after it, our frog is ready to jump. See? Oh. Wait, it's my fold is not correct, this last one. So like this, our frog is ready friends. You can play with it. You can do anything with it. Your frog will jump till it is gone. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is my first video, so make sure you do it. Thank you.